everyone. My name is Marcel Pitabuyan and I am your weather reporter today. We have important weather updates, including a strong typhoon in Naga City and the latest temperatures across the Philippines. Right now, the temperature in Metro Manila is 35 degrees Celsius, but it feels like 45 degrees Celsius. It's very hot day. Reminder, please stay safe in the heat. Drink plenty of water. Wear light clothes and use an umbrella. Stay indoors during midday to avoid heat stroke. Meanwhile, we may see light rain in the southern part of Luzon, but in the Bicol region, the rain is very strong because of a Typhoon Sara. We have breaking news. Our correspondent, Miwa, provides an update on the ongoing weather conditions in the Bicol region. I am reporting live from Naga City, where Typhoon Sara is happening right now. The wind is blowing very hard at 120 kilometers per hour, and the rain is pouring heavily. Look at my umbrella, it's almost flying away. This is a strong typhoon. Here's what's happening in Naga City right now. Flooding in low-lying areas. Trees are falling because of strong winds. Some houses lost their roofs. So please stay inside, lock your doors and windows. Charge your gadgets and prepare flashlights. Listen to the news for updates. This is Miwa, reporting live from the Bicol region. Back to the studio. Wow, that was really strong wind over there. Let's hope everyone stays safe. Let's check the next 3 days forecast. Today, the sun rose at 6:15 a.m. and it will set at 6:15 p.m. That's all for today's weather forecast. Thank you for watching Champions Academy Weather News. This is Mirso, your little weather reporter, signing off. See you next time!